All right, y'all. So I tried to record this trade from the beginning, but my computer was tripping. But we up $400. I'm looking to make like 1,500 on this trade for the day. I gotta stay with inside of consistency rule on this account. That's the only bad side. Consistency rule, like you get punished for making too much money. You know what I'm saying? And I can't just let this trade run. Even if this trade finna go crazy, I can't just let it run and make as much money as possible. So yeah, I'm just looking for 1,500. Nothing too crazy. Nice little supply setup. As you can see, came up to this area. Hit that supply right there. Uh, so we break past this little area a little bit. It should be good. Out of there. All right. Go double check and make sure I made what I need to make. All right, y'all. So that's pretty much it for that quick scout, man. Like I said, on this account, there is a consistency rule. So that's why I'm only going for 1,500. On my other account, I'm gonna let this run. But basically, literally looking for them to come take these lows out from yesterday. So we are here today, back down at this area, which I think that that's what they want to do. And if it push past that, I got a higher time frame. One key area that I expected to come to, which is right here, back down here to this area. That's if price gets to breaking through all of this right here. So today was a pretty simple, easy day, man. That was a base hit. If I wasn't going for a base hit, I would be going for 5 to 6K. I'd say for this week in general, man, it was NLP week, so the market was a little shaky, but opportunities were still there. We got one more day. I don't know if I'm gonna trade tomorrow because it's Friday, NLP Friday. So we're gonna see. But as y'all see, man, it don't take much to make money in the market once you actually have an edge or a skill or you see your setup. So this was a supply setup that I took right here. All it did was literally came back to the supply. I literally tried to record this trade from the beginning, but I don't know what was going on. It just kept lagging and it wouldn't let me actually record. So hopefully you guys like this type of content. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Also click that notification bell. Other than that, out.